details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. And if you like in property location, there is some by attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and review numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, and this will provide present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several dates and offers are available online for this property, along with various refunds and payment options. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Bookings or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, you can contact us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Hit subscribe